So here are a couple of suggested hand mudra or Hasta Mudra to use for pain relief. The Hasta Mudra for lower back pain is Merudanda. Start by extending all the fingers of the right hand, then bring the tip of the middle and the small fingers to touch the tip of the thumb. The index and ring fingers remain extended. Now with the left hand, bend the index finger to bring the tip of the finger to the base of the top joint of the thumb and wrap the top of the thumb over the top of the index finger, creating a circle with the finger and thumb, and the other three fingers remain straight. The next mudra for neck and upper back pain or for arthritis is Vayu Mudra. With the right hand, extend the fingers, bend the index finger to touch the fleshy mound at the base of the thumb, then wrap the thumb over the index finger with gentle pressure. And bring the left hand to the same position. So extend the fingers, the index finger, tip of the index finger comes down to the fleshy mound at the base of the thumb, and the thumb wraps over, and then the other fingers are extended. And the last option is simply to use Chin Mudra. So extend all the fingers on one hand, then bend the index finger to bring the tip of the finger to the base of the top joint of the thumb, and wrap the top of the thumb over the top of the index finger, so you're creating a circle with that finger and thumb, and the other three fingers remain straight. And we're going to do the same with the other hand. So extend all the fingers, bend the index finger to bring the tip of the finger to the bottom of the top joint of the thumb, and wrap the top of the thumb over that finger, creating a circle and extending the fingers. When you've created your mudra, bring the hands down to rest on the thighs. And in meditation, it's usual to rest the back of the hands on the thighs with the palms facing upwards, and that just allows energy to flow in. It's an option to rest the hands face down, which becomes Jnana Mudra, and creates a grounding effect. Whichever you choose, the mudra will create a circuit for the energy to flow in the body and create the desired effect. So generally, to start to create the positive effects from a mudra, you should hold the mudra for around 20 minutes a day, possibly in 4 or 5 minute sessions. So that's just a very general guideline. Each one will be a little different, but that's a good space to start from.